In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PageSpeed Insights on Google Sites, fast and easy. This tutorial is perfect for beginners looking to improve their website's performance and loading speed. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step to make this process as seamless as possible. First, head over to Google Sites by opening your preferred web browser and visiting sites. Google.com. This is where you'll find all the websites you've created and managed using Google's website building platform. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your sites. Identify the site you want to work with and click on it. This will open your site in the Google Sites editor, providing you access to all the customizable features and settings you're accustomed to. Now that your site is open, focus on the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Publish button. Click it, and a menu will appear. This is where you manage the live version of your website, everything that the public can access. It's important to check how your site performs in this live environment. In the drop-down, select View Published Site. This action will open a new tab showcasing the published version of your site. From here, copy the URL from the address bar. This will be vital in the next steps. Next, we're going to navigate to PageSpeed Insights. Open a new tab and type in pagespeed.web.dev. This is a free tool provided by Google that analyzes how well your site performs, focusing on factors like speed and usability. Performance insights here are crucial as they directly influence how users perceive your site and how it ranks on search engines. Once on the PageSpeed Insights homepage, you'll see a large search bar. Paste the URL of your published Google site into this search bar, the one you copied earlier. Double-check to ensure it's correct, as any error in the web address could lead to faulty results. Below the search bar, you'll notice an Analyze button. Clicking this will get the tool to start assessing your site. This process might take a few moments, so feel free to relax while the tool does its analysis. When it's done, you'll receive a comprehensive report. It includes various metrics, such as your site's speed on mobile versus desktop, and detailed suggestions on how to improve these scores. Each segment provides specific insights. For instance, it may suggest optimizing images or leveraging browser caching. Take note of these tips as they're tailored to enhance your site's performance. Following these suggestions will not only make your site faster, but also more user-friendly and attractive to visitors. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to use PageSpeed